Good morning. My name is Syafiq bin Rahman. Today I'm gonna present my final project for design. So my building title is Supernope. Supernope means to provide an interactive building to create a positive culture activity into school grounds. This could promote a safe haven for residents, also as an active ground for culture vitality. So this is my user profile. So I have gathered a problem for the student Y and X and their hobbies. So student Y is a petroleum engineering. He would like to have a space to hang out between classes, exercise space and socialize area, and flexible to travel around campus like block B to block A. And then he wanted to have like a presentation area where he can present his work. And then for student X architecture, he would like to have an resting space and a sleeping area, workspace for his assignment, like a design studio, a presentation area, and a hangout space between classes. This is the site plan of the selected area. For the existing space surround the building, the existing parking is located at the west side of the building. Block G is located at the south side of the building, and Block B is located at the east side of the building. For the spatial operation, I wanted to show how's the meshing development to respond to context. First is bounded the form. The form of the building is determined by the shape of the boundary line. Second is to carve. The middle part of the building is then carved out to create a void for a courtyard. Third is the contour. The building is then placed on a sloped hill. The east-facing solid is lowered down to respond to the side contact hill. The north-facing facade allows a connecting towards from the west building to the east building. The fourth is the split levels. The west building is then lowered down to each level as the slope gradually decreases. This causes split levels on the building. And the final is the wind flow. The wind is blowing from the south towards the north. To maximize this effort for ventilation and to cool down the building, the roof of the building is slanted down to allow wind to a easy flow. The form of the building are inspired by the folding method that create triangular. The triangulation element of the building create given the building a unique characteristic, which also allow a opening courtyard and the roof. So for the wind path of this site is from the south side. The roof is slanted down towards the wind to allow better ventilation and the courtyard to allow stack ventilation. The U shape of the courtyard is to trap the wind in the building to allow better ventilation at the courtyard. The resident building is lower down the slope than the commercial building to allow the morning sun to light up the courtyard that held various activity. By allowing the sun to enter the opening, it helped to brighten the space better and light the rock climbing wall for the activities and for the courtyard activities. This is to integrate for my project 1 assignment. The vertical plank is an operatable timber window. During the setting of the sun towards the west, the user are able to operate the window to close different sections of the building. And by applying this, it is allowed the natural light to shower into the interior without using artificial light. For the parking area for the disabled are at the top of the slope to ensure easy roll down the ramp. The users must use the existing road to enter the parking. To enter the parking, the users have to turn right at 45-degree angle to not damage their vehicle shaft or other safety reason. Three road bumps are also purposed for the car to slow down to provide safety for the user that wanted to park their car at the parking. The program in the building is auditorium, a sitting area by following the slope, a sleeping area and a hammock area for student, outside sitting area with stairs and sitting area, outdoor cinema, outdoor rock climbing, bicycle parking area. There are two entrances from the building, which is from the existing parking or from block B. So the user will enter the building and then there will be a big opening without doors so the users are feel welcome. In the entrance is connected to the foyer and then there's two entrances and one path is going to the auditorium and one path is going down to the courtyard. So if the user go down, it will connect it to the toilet. If the user go down again, it will connect to a workspace or an activity area space. The users can do their work there. And then it will connect to the auditorium. The second path is the users can go to the rock climbing area. And then when the users go down, it also connected to the sleeping area, which is the hammock area. Then when going down, it also can connect it from the sleeping area, also can connect it to the cafe or the user can straight go down. So the cafe area is connected to the storage, so it is easy access for the workers. So the parking, the user will park their car and then they will enter up to the building from this entrance. For the second entrance from block B is from this part. So for the human circulation, for the first floor plan, so the workers will go up and then there will be an working area and office area that connected all around the building for the workers. And then for the private area for the resident will go up as you can see at the blue arrow. So the resident will go to the uh, workspace area and then it is connected to the resting area or chilling area, or they can also do their work there, and it's connected to the kitchen and eating area. So and the uses of the residential can go down, and it is connected to the bedroom. So the users also can use their own private lane if they are from block B, so it is easy for them. So I have provided the yellow line. As you can see, the spiral stairs. The spiral stairs is connected to all of the 3 bedroom for the 6 resident. So the bedroom is also connected to the toilet, so it is easy for the resident to go to the toilets. So for the disabled person situation, they can just enter from the building that have a ramp that I have provided, and then this is all the ramp that I provided, so it is convenient and easy for them to access and to move around the building. I also have put an disabled escalator, so the disabled can go to the second floor by using the escalator. This is the case study of the escalator. The spatial organization of the building is considered a clustered organized through space organized by geometrical. The boundary line of the given site provides a geometry that shapes the form of the building. Therefore, the clustering is protected by a geometric. Next, the breakdown of the building that goes down each level is promoted by the slope. For the spatial organization, the courtyard acts as a adjustment space that allows its own function, but at the same time, it is connect both buildings to allow permeability, but also become a separate for building first and the second separate building, and the semi-public and private area. And last but not least, this is my presentation board. So thank you, Miss, for listening my presentation.